Hey fellow learners, Shirley here. Are you the kind of person who believes that to speak English fluently and confidently you need to travel abroad or maybe pay for expensive course or even to be an English teacher? I made these mistakes myself. I had these misconceptions. Luckily, it didn't hold me back, and even having these misconceptions, I could take a step forward and improve my English. I'm the living proof that all we need is self discipline, immersion, and the effective learning method. I'm from Brazil and I've been learning English since July 2015. To be honest, at the beginning I was pretty bad at English. I didn't know even the verb to be. To be honest, I hated English and I started learning English just because of the master's degree placement exam. But the long story short is I haven't been approved for the master's degree and I've fallen in love with English and I've been learning English since then. I decided to create this channel because I want to improve my speaking skills and also get out of my comfort zone, and at the same time to help you that just like me don't have so much money to spend with courses or didn't have the chance to travel abroad yet, and you can take the most of the free source out there if you use them effectively. In this channel, I'm gonna share with you my experience as a self-learner. I'm pretty sure that I have lots of things to share with you, what I do to improve my four skills, the listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I'm also share with you things that I did that worked pretty good and things that I did that wasn't so good, as well as what to do when you don't feel like that you are improving or maybe when your motivation vanishes. What we can do to support each other. Hit the subscribe button and let's live our English together. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!